Hi there, check out these hacks and cool gadgets we've got in this short video. This is the apartment. It's messy. She's gonna organize all her stuff using different gadgets and hacks. This is her husband. He's drunk. She's gonna drink something that's water. This is a closet she uses for her shoes. It's really beautiful. We've got this messy table. This is a rack she uses for the sink. It's really helpful. We've got this tool. This is a box she uses for cutlery. This is a small brush she uses for cleaning the stove. It's really helpful. This is another rack she's using for small items. This is an organizer. It's a plastic one. We've got this box you can use for wipes. This is a small trash bin. We've got this square mop. She's using it for mopping the floor.